Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can do a professional level video editing in your mobile by using just two apps, TikTok and Capcut. First of all, you will have to open your TikTok and scroll down to the best template you want to make video on. This template is good. I want to make video on this, and first of all you will have to just take a look of it. So this template is so good. I'm gonna make video on this, and I'll just have to simply click on the try this template and open Capcut, use this template in Capcut. So it's gonna take a bit of time, so you'll have to wait for it. And when the loading completes, you're gonna find two videos. You'll have to pause both of these because it's gonna make a bit of trouble. And after that, select the photo and video on which you want to make template, and loading begins. After the loading, you're gonna see result. So that was so easy and impressing. Export without watermarks to the TikTok, and you'll have to export in, and exporting will complete. You're gonna see the pop-up of the TikTok. Just remove the CapCut from the background and come to the TikTok. Here you can edit it again. I want to change the sound of this video because I'm not satisfied with this sound, so I'll look out for another. And here this one is my favorite sound, so I'm gonna put it according to the shakes and according to the beats. I'm gonna select it. I want to make it perfect according to the beats and shakes and adjust it as perfect as I can. And the length of this sound is a bit short, so I'm gonna extend it according to the length of the video. So that's how you can do fantastic job. You can try another template too, and when video completes, you can export it to the Instagram, to Facebook, to the TikTok, whatever or wherever you want. In the last, just like my video, follow my TikTok, and also subscribe my YouTube, and tell me that you want the voiceover in English or Urdu. Tell me which one is your favorite, so I'll make that one.